Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Acuity Scheduling to Square. First, go to Acuity Scheduling site and click on Login at the top right corner. Now, just go ahead and log into your account. You can use your Google one. For here, just choose on this site where you want to continue. Once in, on the left panel, click on Payment Settings. In here, you will see an option to connect to Square. So what you need to do is to just click on the connect button. So now just go ahead and log into your Square account. And after that, you will be able to proceed to connect Square to Acuity Scheduling. And that's just basically it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.